Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. We're going to be taking a look at the Targus Krypton Pro XL flexible tripod with GoPro Hero attachment. Now it is universal for DSLR cameras, action cameras, and the load capacity is 2.2 pounds. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, we're back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're looking at the Targus Krypton Pro XL flexible tripod. I got it off Amazon for right around 12 bucks. Now, it does say it has the mount for a GoPro, but you can mount other types of camera holding devices, whatever you want to call them, onto it. Let's go ahead and get it open. Now, Amazon does have different mini tripods, but I seen this was a Targus, kind of like the bigger tripod I have, and I really like that one. It's only going to go down so far in one direction. It feels, I don't know, kind of grindy. Like it's not turning smooth. But you can adjust it to hang off of like pipes if you need it off of a pipe or something. And I do like these legs. The legs actually feel solid. Like I said, I had ones like this before and they were built differently. Actually, a little cheaper. Okay, I was saying about different camera mounts. This is the GoPro one. And this is one I got with a different tripod or selfie stick or something. Go ahead, screw that on. There we go. Put the phone in. There we go. Legs out. Loosen this. Okay. Now I just did it like that so you can see that's actually holding the camera. That's not going to fall over on you. There you go. Has a little handle to move it around. Lock it down. Actually locks them pretty well. But this is going to be a real quick video. If you're in the market for one of these mini tripods, I'd definitely give it a look at, especially for 20 bucks. Now, if you're in the market for one of these mini tripods, for 12 bucks, I'd definitely give it a look at. And, like with my old one, I used to mount it to the dash. Well, I didn't actually have to mount it. But it has these little rubber rings on it so it doesn't slide too easy. See how it kind of catches on the table. So that'll keep it from sliding around if you want to try it on your dash. But for 12 bucks, I don't think you're going to beat it. I really don't. It feels quite sturdy. It's quite flexible. Just this head up here, I think, doesn't move as smooth as I would like it. But it just might need a break-in period. But do yourself a favor, check it out. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching.